Biology, the introduction to study of life. For this lesson, I'm going to cover significant biology chapters vaguely, just so you can get the idea of some of the things to come. I'm going to go over the study of life, the scientific method, biochemistry, cells, DNA, genetics, evolution, human anatomy, ecology, and biome. Let's start off small. First up, DNA. DNA is a double-stranded nucleic acid that contains the genetic information for cell growth, division, and function. It's basically the building blocks of life. Next up, cells. Cells are made from the building blocks of life, and is the reason why you're alive and well. Remember the cell theory when you hear it. The cell theory has three principles. First, all living things are composed of cells. Second, cells are the basic units of structure and function in living things. And last, new cells are produced from existing ones. Third up, genetics. Sometimes called the bricks of life, chromosomes are the blueprint of life. The average human has 46 chromosomes. Right now, the image of these chromosomes, which are also ordered, are called karyotype. Biochemistry. An example of biochemistry is starch, which is made from a chain of polymer of glucose. Next, human anatomy. For now, let the muscles talk. There are three types of muscle tissue: skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. Winking your eye is an example of skeletal muscle. Next, evolution. Evolution is based on Darwin's theory. Evolution is a process by which different kinds of living organisms are thought to have developed and diversified from earlier forms during the history of the Earth. Most importantly, the scientific method. There are 6 steps to the scientific method. First, ask a question. Second, do some background research. Third, construct a thesis. Fourth, test with an experiment. Fifth, analyze results and draw a conclusion. However, if your hypothesis is true, move on to step 6. Otherwise, if it's false, go back to step 3. And step 6, report your result. Almost done for those who are getting uninterested. Third to last, the study of life, or characteristics of things. Homeostasis is an excellent example of the characteristics of things. Shakespeare here is freezing to death. His body is shivering because his body is trying to adapt to the environment to get warm. If he gets warm soon, his body will go back to normal, and he will not shiver anymore. Second to last, biomes. The savanna shows a variety of species that are normal to this environment. The special ecosystem is perfect only for those animals used to intense heat. Other animals on the world would most likely not survive in these conditions. Last but not least, ecology. Ecology is the study of interactions among organisms between organisms and their environment or their surroundings. The bear eating the fish is an example, along with the coyote observing the bear. So there you have it, vague biology information. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time.